at the moment. What up, dog? What's happening, player? Good to see you, my boy. It's Raider Nation always, just in case they didn't know. Remember that.
What's up, mi gente? Lane Splitters, Miguel here. Going to the airport, pick up my brother. He took Van Gogh up to Minneapolis to get ready for the Johnny Smith show. I told his ass he had to come back to work for a little bit. So, grabbing his ass, going back to the shop to knock out some more shit. This guy in his shot is looking skinny. Look at him so serious.
What's happening, everybody?
Van's getting serviced right now, actually. And then Tony's gonna rotate the tires too.
Cool. Van Gogh?
Van Gogh's ready to go to the next show.
TLC. Ooh, I like that. Getting some much needed TLC. Did you have any Tito's?
No.
Who are you right now,
slept,
dude?
bro. I didn't want to miss my flight.
Oh, all right. Good, because we got shit to do.
Oh, yeah.
We got Donnie's coming up, Bike Week. The whole crew's kicking ass right now.
That's sweet. I was trying to work.
Feel good to be home?
Yeah, I got a lot to do though, so I'm not so ready for that.
Oh, you mean you're not ready for work?
Yeah.
The fuck? Not ready for work.
It's overrated.
That's alright, bro. Work now, so you can play later.
Yeah, you're right.
Easy Bike Week, Cave Creek Bike Week, whatever you
That's
want
gonna
to
be
call
fun.
it.
Ooh, I gotta get measurements on that trailer too. Gotta get a trailer wrapped.
Back in action.
Moto Mari.
What's up? Buddy Blair! What's up? Buddy Beezy!
You guys miss me?
Yes.
You better have.
Hello.
Otherwise, you guys are gonna go do a lap around the building. What? Good to see you guys.
Installing some crossovers, installing some speakers, big old 1400 watt amp, make this thing bang. Whole bike, 4-speaker. You're gonna cut the saddlebags, the lids. We got the CM 652, so it's a mid-bass speaker with the RRO 75Ts, which is the tweeter. It's a component system. Got the amp mounting rack for Road Glide. Gonna throw the 1400p amp on it. It's a amp with a DSP built into it, which is a digital sound processor. So we'll use to tune the system. It's pretty easy to mount these up yourself. What I do for the 1400p is, because it is kind of large, just bend these two front tabs forward and they line up perfectly with the holes here. On this side, you can see it lines up perfectly with the outer alignment holes. So this is a kit. It comes with the Road Glide and the Street Glide mount. The mounts are pretty easy to install and are bike specific, Road Glide to Street Glide, but they're the same 14 to 23. Alright, next we're gonna run our power cables and the rear speaker harness for the 2 rear speakers. You can plug in the amp after that, and we'll get the front speaker pods put on and head unit put back in. Yeah, I'm trying to get the seat popped on. Putting the pod back on. This is the Cicada saddlebag cutting kit, their CH lid kit. It's to mount 6x9s into your bag lids. It comes with the cutouts and the grills and all the mounting hardware to mount the speaker into your stock bag and bag lid. I'll tape them up real quick too. So we're taping them up so when we do cut them, none of the edges crack, the paint stays nice. And we're gonna set the cut ends on top of it. We don't wanna scratch any of the overlay parts that are not getting cut out of the bag. We're gonna clean up those holes and get the speaker, the pods mounted, or the bracket mounted so we can mount the speaker. This is where we're gonna run our wires to our crossover for our tweeter and our speaker.
Oh, hey, what up, though?
Dang, it's a disaster in this office. I don't even want to go in there. It's fucking hideous in there. Somebody clean that joint.
We got everything going on right now. Cicada audio system, full custom air ride, switch conversion from all air to electric over air, little primary action, little dyno action. We're doing good. You know, the final rush for bike week is everyone waits to the last minute. Name of the game. But you know why they bring it here? Because we get shit done, especially with this crew. Oh shit. As she says, oh shit. Damn!
I'm sorry. Cut that out.
All right, we're installing these subs and this saddlebag. It's a factory saddlebag. We use the Cicada cut-in template. We've got a port down here. We're wiring it up now. Cut the wire to length so it all looks tidy, looks right. And we've got the 6x9 wire for the lid. We're gonna swap the lid, the 6x9 holder, and maybe the tweeter holder. We just have to see if it'll fit with this cut-in kit. Point it up like that and tighten these screws up. Super easy to install. So today we're picking up on this bike here. We're installing some subwoofers on a previously installed Cicada 4-speaker setup. They just want a little bit more bang. We use the Cicada cut-in kit, cut the hole for the 10-inch speaker and the 3-inch port here that we've got here. We'll install, and we're gonna put the buckets on the bottom side of the speaker. The bang from the sub itself doesn't affect the 6x9. So let's get these bags put on.
Back in elementary, I thrived on misery. Left me alone, I grew up amongst a dying breed. Inside my mind, couldn't find a place to rest. Eternal fire shed so many tears. Lord, I suffered in the years and shed so many tears.